It takes an average of 15 days to sell a house in San Marcos, but I will make sure to make it sell even faster, thanks to the tips in this video. Hi, my name is Angelica Babins, and I believe that real estate isn't rocket science. In this video titled How to Sell My House Fast in San Marcos, I'm going to dive deep into real estate tips for sellers to sell their house faster in the lucrative market of San Marcos. Stay tuned as a bonus tip is waiting for you at the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 5, let's talk about cash home buyers. If you want to sell your house quickly in San Marcos, you can sell your house to cash home buyers like SD House Guys and SoCal Home Buyers. These firms will buy your homes for cash and can close very quickly, often in just a week. There are no trading fees because these businesses buy straight from owners. Also, they usually buy homes just the way they are, so you won't have to spend time or money fixing things up or making changes. They don't have to get financing because they are paying cash. So there is no chance that the deal will fall through because of problems with the loan approval. But they're not perfect in every way. To avoid paying brokerage fees, some people forget that cash home buyers usually offer less than the home market's value. And this is because they want to make money by selling or renting the home. It's not likely that bidding wars will happen when you sell your home to a cash buyer. Instead, the price of your home will likely stay the same since there aren't as many rules about cash home buyers as there are about regular real estate. There's a higher chance of scams. So always do your homework and pick companies with a good reputation. Coming in at number 4, hire a real estate agent. Real estate agents are very important for knowing how to sell your house faster. Their knowledge of how markets work lets them set the right price for the house, which quickly attracts potential buyers with access to a wide range of marketing tools. Agents can make listings that appeal to a wide range of people, making the property more visible. Their skilled ability to negotiate makes deals go smoothly and gets sellers the best prices. Agents also make things easier for sellers by taking care of time-consuming chores like paperwork and showings. They quickly connect sellers with suitable buyers by using their large networks. In addition, agents make sure that all the formal requirements are met throughout the process, and this leads to a smooth closing, which speeds up the sale process by a large amount. Moving on to number 3, list your house on the MLS. Using the multiple listing service, MLS, can help you sell your house in San Marcos faster. With MLS real estate agents and buyers from all over the country, they can see your home on the MLS with lots of information, and they help buyers find their dream home, and it increases their chance of a quick sale. MLS maintains strict standards that make sure listings are correct and professional, which builds buyer trust. Multiple offers are often made on the same property because MLS covers so many areas, especially in business markets. Access to the multiple listing service usually needs a real estate agent and commission fees, but it's still a good way to sell your house in San Marcos. Coming in at number 2, try FSBO for sale by owner can help you sell your home faster in San Marcos in several ways. As the homeowner, you have control over the whole process from setting the price to negotiating, which helps you make a choice more quickly. Direct contact with potential buyers makes interactions easier and speeds up negotiations by cutting out the middleman. Offering flexible times for showings makes the home more visible to potential buyers, which increases the chance of a quick sale. The increased motivation of homeowners often leads to proactive marketing and assertive bargaining, which speeds up the process even more. Bypassing real estate agent fees also lets you set more competitive prices, attracting buyers and speeding up the sale. While FSBO requires understanding the market and the law, talking to a real estate agent ensures the process goes smoothly. Last but not least, at number 1, focus on home staging. In many ways, arranging a home makes the selling process go much faster in San Marcos. It makes a good first impression, which helps buyers picture themselves living there, which could lead to faster offers. A professional setting brings out the best in a home by minimizing its flaws and emphasizing its strengths. Staged homes look like they are ready to move into, which appeals to buyers who want to move in right away. Better online presentation through staging gets more attention and speeds up the selling process. Additionally, prepared homes usually sell for more money. Even though staging costs money up front, the big benefits far outweigh the cost, making it a good plan for sellers. Bonus tip. As promised, the bonus tip is to price your home right. Setting the right price for your home is essential for getting it sold quickly. A property that is priced correctly attracts more buyers, which increases attention and viewings as long as you don't overprice your house. The market won't stay stagnant and it won't sit on the market unsold. A low price can also lead to bidding wars, which could push the final sale price above the asking price. It shows buyers that you're serious about selling and builds trust in the deal. A professional estimate and the advice of a real estate agent can help you figure out the correct market value, and online tools can give you even more help. To buy and sell properties quickly, you need to find the best mix between making the most money and getting buyers quickly. My name is Angelica Babins. I am a real estate agent from San Diego, California, USA, and if you would like to work with me, my contact info is in the description box below. If you want to keep receiving real estate market updates about the city of San Diego, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and all my other socials. If you like this video and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and remember, real estate isn't rocket science.